Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up your story privacy on Instagram. So first of all, go to settings, then go to privacy, and here you will find the story section. Go to story, and here you will have quite a lot of options. So first of all, you can hide your stories from specific persons. So by clicking here you can add specific persons that you don't want to see your story. Maybe your boss or your teachers, professors, or anything like that. That can be really useful. Then you can set up who can reply to your stories as a message reply. Maybe everyone, maybe only people you follow, or nobody. This depends on how you use your Instagram. If you're an influencer or content creator, it's better to have it on everyone because this can grow your reach and your engagement with your followers. But if you have a private profile, then maybe you can turn it off or set it just for people you follow. Then you will engage with your friends. Then who can save your stories and how can they save it? Save to story archive, save to gallery, save live to gallery. Then sharing, how can people share your stories? Maybe they can reshare it to their stories or allow sharing, let others share photos and videos from your stories as messages, or share your stories to Facebook, automatically share post photos and videos from your story to your Facebook story. So these are the story privacy options on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me. See you.